के Oreos.
He likes to keep everything secret.
दारू मिलेगी क्या उसमें डिप करके खा सकती हूँ क्या मैं?
I can only see cream.
कुछ भी अलग नहीं है guys.
Can I rate a minus?
I don't like too sweet. No.
बट मुझे ना दारू की टेस्ट है.
All right, welcome guys to our new video. आज हम करेंगे, आप लोगों ने देखा ही होगा, thumbnail देख के तो आए हो तुम लोग, है ना? So we're gonna try Oreos today. We're gonna not try just one, not just two, not just three, but 14 types of Oreos. But it is a surprise for us.
Has been kept secret. So देखते हैं हमारा डायरेक्टर हमेशा सीक्रेट रखता है.
I don't
Like
know
पता
why.
नहीं क्यों.
Yeah.
He likes to keep everything secret.
बकवास दिखाओ ना। मैं नहीं दिखाऊंगा।
Yeah, I
I
guess
don't mind
everything.
eating,
Yeah.
so yeah.
So हम
I'm
लोग
up for
अभी
it.
we are going to try something which we are going to eat. So let's start with first thing.
Almost saved.
Are they broken?
I hope not. Okay, so what do we have? We have the
The
original.
OG.
The OG. I love the packaging here, right? है ना? इंडिया में ऐसा नहीं मिलता packaging.
That's very convenient. हाँ, इंडिया में नहीं होता क्या?
ऐसा पैकेजिंग नहीं मिलता, right?
It's very
Because
convenient.
तुम एक साइड से ओपन करते हो and then you have to finish it down.
And yeah, let's go. Let's not
Let's
talk
go.
much. और एक we'll try पहले सूखा and then we'll deep. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Let's try पहले सूखा. First bite.
So OG flavor.
Simple, vanilla, chocolate. But it's so good. I like the OG. It never fails.
Talking about the cookie, one of the best biscuit अभी.
That is true.
And yeah, ये हमने to be honest हमने बहुत बार try किया.
Doesn't
How would you rate this?
I'll rate it a good 7.
From my side, respectable 7. 7 out of 10.
Yeah, 7.5 is good.
8 out of 10. It's good. I like it.
Yeah, we are going to move to the next one. Let's go.
Ooh. We have Oreo minis.
Yeah.
And special उन्होंने लड़की कैरेक्टर लिए.
वो starting से ही थी.
Oh, नहीं, first में.
First में लड़की
First
थी.
में भी लड़की थी. So, which makes sense. लड़कियों के mood swings. We all know.
Stereotypical.
Let's try. इतना ही excited है for small stuff. Let's try. Okay.
Oh my god.
बहुत छोटे हैं ना?
सही में कैसे छोटे
We came to
छोटे
know
से
कि मुझे ये अभी पता चला.
like
when-
जेम्स के बड़े भाई.
Let's try. It feels so funny, Dinky.
It's the same flavor, right? It's the
I
original.
guess this is
flavor.
the original one.
Yeah, it's just smaller size.
Some people like it.
Same shit. Small size. Happiness comes in all the sizes, guys.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप?
All the
Sure.
sizes. Let me tell you.
Okay.
Same
These
thing.
are more crunchier because of the
Because
size.
for this,
Yes, I guess.
Small size means
Yeah,
more tasty.
you have to know how to use it.
Just- exactly.
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा।
I'm gonna give the same rating. But मुझे याद नहीं आई. So I'm gonna go for 7.
I'll go with the same one as well. 8.
8.
Because it tastes the same. It's just like
Size
size में
छोटा है.
difference है.
सीरियल्स में जाएगा और जल्दी जल्दी खा सकते हैं.
8. Because
Crunch
because I feel
and the
like
size.
exactly. And अगर मैं एक पैकेट फिनिश करूँगा ना तो इतना गिल्ट नहीं आएगा.
Yeah, I think I'll give it a 7.5 because of my bias for.
Let's go to the next.
And the third one is something yellow. Golden Oreos. French में बोलते हैं Dores. Yellow one. I hope कुछ अलग होगा इसमें. Other than just the package का color. So yeah, let's go.
Let's try it out. Okay,
Different, right? It looks so different.
let me dunk it in. Or vanilla.
कुछ भी अलग नहीं है guys. Same shit. Just yellow color. कोई difference नहीं है.
No, it's not same shit. Okay, difference है. मतलब हाँ cream तो same ही है, but biscuit different है.
This is also pretty good if you want something changed from the chocolate flavor.
I like it. That flavor of glucose वाला Parle
Parle-G
G का
biscuit.
caramel. I don't know what this is.
The I guess the baked
है ना?
wala flavor. Maybe.
वो क्रस्ट का क्रस्ट नहीं क्या बोलते बिस्किट का टेस्ट नहीं वैसा आ रहा है.
Yeah, let's just rate and
I think 7.
I like vanilla, so I'll give it an 8.
I'll go for again 7 guys. सब same है. There is no difference. छोटा मोटा और
Yeah,
क्या
because-
काला पीला कर रहे
because
हैं.
he's
So
a
I'll just
7.
keep it 7 guys.
I will rate this 8.5 because I also like vanilla. It's a good flavor.
Yeah.
So let's go for the next one.
Good catch.
Oh,
Thin.
this is Oreo thin.
Oh.
कृति मुझे अभी याद आया. पहले तू खा. तुम बताओ.
Oreo
Yeah.
chips. We can say
Yeah.
that. Rhythm.
You know, this would make a really good, I don't know, I can use this in desserts and stuff.
Yeah, actually.
अभी याद आया.
It's good. I like it.
तो अलग लगा.
I mean, yeah, because proportion कम है ना इसमें. Cream का भी and biscuit का भी. And I don't have a sweet tooth, so I like this one.
It is good for people like Krati, to be honest.
Okay, I would rate this as 7.5.
ये मुझे आइडिया है ना अच्छी वाली. So I'm gonna give 1 marks extra. 8. 8 out of 10 guys.
I'll give it 9. I like this one.
I would rate 7.5 as well.
Okay.
7.5 for me.
Okay. Let's try the next one.
And it is
Double stuffed Oreo.
double stuff.
Dang.
अब मैं तो थिन से ही थक गया था. अभी
I
डबल
liked
स्टफ. But you know what? I'm going to give एकदम क्या बोलते हैं उसको? वर्ड भूल जाता हूँ यार मैं लाइफ में यही प्रॉब्लम.
ये था कि उस पिच पे हमने वो जो भी हमने किया उस पिच पे किया था इसलिए वो बस उस मोमेंट पे वो हो गया मेरे से.
Yeah, I'll open it.
Damn, those look so thick, bro.
Lot more cream, as you can
Yeah.
see.
But this is the original flavor, right?
Yeah.
Bro, इसमें बहुत क्रीम लगेगा यार,
More cream,
है ना?
less cookies. I like it.
Too much cream. Too much cream. I can.
कृति के 2 रिव्यूज है गाइस. लेस क्रीम, टू मच.
Flavor wise,
It's regular Oreo
yeah.
flavor.
And I would rate because of the cream. I'll rate it as 8.
5.
5. Fuck 5.
Yeah. Too sweet, man. इतना नहीं sweet चलता भाई.
I'm gonna give 6.
I'll go with 6.5 for this.
Damn.
Yeah, I know.
Not expected from you.
And yeah, it's the same thing. I'm just waiting कि कुछ अलग आ जाए. So let's move on to the next.
What?
Green?
What did you say?
Green?
Yeah, it's mint. I hate mint.
Oh,
कौन लाए?
that is new. भाई Oreo के अंदर mint कौन डालता है?
I hate the chocolate combination with mint.
I know the chocolate.
I don't know
mint
who
combination.
invented it, but
अच्छी लगी?
Toothpaste की तरह smell कर रहा है.
Literally मैं बता रहा हूँ.
Literally.
तुझे अभी समझा मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ?
I still hate it.
अरे मैं झंडू बाम खा रहा हूँ.
झुंडू बाम कहाँ से आ गया?
अरे वो जो menthol, ethanol क्या बोलते हैं वो? That is
Menthol.
menthol वाला.
Ethanol is alcohol.
आपको I mean come on. You know वो menthol वाला.
अभी मैं इतना कंफ्यूज हूँ मिंट को कितना दूँ. मैंने दारू पी लिया क्या ऐसा लग रहा
0. I'll go with 0.
है. 0.
Yes. No mint for me, man. No.
How would you rate this?
I said, can I rate it minus? I'm gonna rate it
but at least we'll
minus.
have to rate it, right? VDC rating.
Minus one. Minus 100.
I
I
agree.
don't know.
I agree with you.
Always
Minus
in
100.
Yeah.
So उनके लिए मैं मिंट को दूंगा रिस्पेक्टेबल 4. Okay, let's
Yeah. Let's try the next
let's
one.
try the next one. Yeah.
Okay, what we have here? Ooh. What is it? Same?
Double stuffed golden. No, this is maple cream.
Oh, this is maple cream, right? Canadian special maple.
I have surprisingly same fucking shit but yellow or double stuff. And let's try ये वाला maple cream.
Woohoo!
Thank you. Thank you for
ना, that-
tearing that up. अच्छा हाँ ना वो concept है guys. हम लोग आधा ही खाने वाले.
Yes.
This is smell आ रही है.
Sharing is caring.
Mmm.
Double
Wow.
stuffed, double cream. Yeah, I like it.
I should try this.
Yeah?
Yeah. This is good.
Go on.
I like the maple one.
Try this one.
Yeah.
To be honest, nice one. Maple का flavor आ रहा है.
Sweet, very
This is
sweet.
what I don't know. Maybe Canadian people like this
Yeah, man.
a lot.
You know? Something different.
Yeah, I really like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very good.
It is sweet for me. कि मेरे को like milk में dip करके थक गई हूँ. दारू मिलेगी क्या उसमें dip करके खा सकती हूँ क्या मैं?
प्रति के लिए दारू नहीं. ये क्या आपने गोले जैसा गोला करे ऐसा गोले जैसा डाले इसके ऊपर. How much you take?
4 for the maple one. Too sweet, man. I don't like too sweet. No.
I'll give Maple को 6 actually. 6 out of 10 because it was actually good and obviously
I would give the maple one actually maybe 8.5.
Yeah. I would say 8.5 too. It's good.
Cream one is just more cream.
Exactly.
So
7.5.
7.5. Yeah.
See, 7.5.
Oh.
white
बढ़िया
and
लग रहा है.
blue. You know what? मेरे को एक फैक्ट पता है ओरियो के बारे में. ओरियो पहले ब्लू कलर में नहीं सेल होता था गाइस. वो सिर्फ गोल्डन कलर में सेल होता था. अभी तुम पूछोगे क्यों? तो मैं बोलूंगा कि अपन ट्राई करें.
Damn.
I'm gonna have a mega.
Dude, they are
It is-
so thick. Oh my god. I can only see cream.
Of course. Are you gonna eat
This is
it? Do you want to
crazy.
split it?
Ah, true. I cannot. Oh my
Too
god.
much cream.
Look at this, guys.
गाइस डिप करने के बाद ना थोड़ा फ्लेवर उसका ना थोड़ा मीठा कम हो रहा है. मिठास कम हो रहा है. So that's why I guess it's good, you know. ये देख.
Oh my god, it's so fat.
कंपैरिजन दिखाऊं गाइस तुमको मैं. कंपैरिजन दिखाता हूं गाइस. ये लिटरली इसके बीच में आ रहा है गाइस.
It's more crumbly, I feel.
Because of gluten free?
Because gluten holds
Yeah.
the dough or whatever.
Right.
I would give this one as 6 since I don't really eat gluten-free food.
6.
But yeah, as an option for people with gluten intolerance, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
2 out of 10 for me.
अरे फक हाँ रेट
Double stuff.
डबल स्टफ को मैं भी दूंगा 2 out of 10 और ग्लूटेन को मैं दूंगा
5 out of 10 for me.
कुछ तो यार 5 out of 10 गाइस. मतलब ना
Copy करे जा रहा है.
ठीक है
बेवकूफ.
ठीक है बट कोई इतना डिफरेंस.
What is the next one? I hope it's not the any mega stuff. Okay, what do we have?
What?
Cinnamon bun.
I love to. Oh my
We
god.
ignored this one.
I'm gonna try this.
Chocolate covered. Man, that looks good.
थोड़ा मीठा कम पड़ रहा है इसके बोल. चॉकलेट में डिप
We'll
किया.
try this.
मैं हाथ से पिसल रहा है देखो.
Yeah, it's melting, man.
चल
Cheers.
cheers.
I like
I
it.
was hoping the cream would be chocolate, but
You know
it's
what?
not.
The
It's
chocolate.
vanilla.
The chocolate is balancing the cream. We're talking like chefs now.
I like
इसको खा के
chocolate.
I actually felt like I'm eating pork. I don't know if you guys remember pork. Pork खाया रहेगा तो तुमने.
But okay.
Pork ऐसे ही था. ऊपर soft thin layer of chocolate and
there's a crunchy.
अंदर से crunchy था. So pork का याद आ गया guys. Please.
So for the rating, I would say 7 out of 10. This is good.
I'll give 9 out of 10.
Damn.
I know we wanted to have this so badly.
You can have it later.
I know.
Cinnamon.
Okay.
हम cinnamon को करेंगे आधा. Okay guys, let's try
Oh
this.
yeah, it smells like cinnamon.
हाँ?
Yeah, man.
इसको भी mix करते हैं.
Cinnamon का उतना flavor नहीं आ रहा.
हल्का.
Very subtle.
Yeah.
But
Yeah. But you know what? मुझे फिर अगर if we just talk about the golden stuff, I mean golden Oreos, I would like the maple one.
oh yeah,
You know?
the maple one is good.
Then 8. You know?
So I gave the chocolate fudge one 8, and I would give cinnamon one 8.5.
इसको हम देंगे
6. It's good. It's something different. I
yeah,
like
it is something different. That is the reason मैं इसको दूंगा 8. Yeah. Okay guys,
चलो.
let's move to the next
Next one.
What? भाई ये बिस्किट है, ये क्या है?
Cake stuff. Deliciously soft.
मैं इसका आधा करता हूँ, तू उसका आधा कर.
चलेगा.
दो तेरा, दो मेरा.
मैंने एक्चुअली बिग एक्सपेक्ट किया था. I don't know why.
नहीं यार, ये सारी चीजें ना लोग लिटिल लिटिल ही देते हैं.
सिला हुआ बिस्किट है जैसा लग रहा है.
Actually, purposely सिला हुआ बिस्किट.
Why would you do that?
Everything.
I will dip this one.
Yeah, I mean, dip क्यों करना है? बहुत ड्राई है, क्रीम was a different part, but बाहर का चीज बहुत ड्राई. I don't know कौन खाता है इसको.
Yeah, I feel like the cake version, maybe you will like it, but I didn't like it, man.
गरीब
This is
भी
not
हमको
good.
गाली डालेंगे guys. हम इसको गरीबों में बांटेंगे ना.
नीमत भी
गरीब
गाली
हमको गाली
देगा.
डालेंगे guys.
मुझे क्यों तोड़ा? Rate both of them as 5.
But 5 for
5 for both.
both, yeah.
मैं दूंगा 2 guys. 2. एक इसको, एक इसको.
3.
Selena Gomez Oreos.
I didn't know the flavor. It's
Wow.
chocolate cinnamon.
भाई
crème.
सेलिब्रिटीज क्या क्या करते हैं भाई, मतलब
पैसा है पैसा.
सब में आना है क्या उनको?
And
Let's try
open.
this
Let's
one.
open. Yeah.
Yeah, rip it off. Selena.
You know guys, ये इसके ऊपर का जो है ना,
आदत समझ गई.
ये अगर तुमको मिला, देखिए यहाँ पे लिखा है, मैं भी
Selena
सेलिना से
मिलेगी.
मिलने. सेलिना, अगर वैसी बात है तो let's order more 10,000 packs.
Let's eat now.
Let's eat,
Please.
You get best of both worlds in this cinnamon and vanilla. You know?
It's pretty similar to the cinnamon bun,
I know it's
but
the
like
cinnamon is
more
more
enhanced.
enhanced, yeah.
Good combination.
But not that great.
मुझे ना, I don't know out of the topic होगा baby, but मुझे ना दारू की टेस्ट आ रही है. But मेरे को इसकी टेस्ट आ रही है. Correct.
Because it
सब
has
पता है,
cinnamon.
PhD का रुकी है इसने पूरी की पूरी.
I'll rate this as 7.5.
Yeah, 7.5. 7 I would say.
Packaging का
Yeah.
कुछ लेना देना
नहीं, मैं
है.
दूंगा, मैं दूंगा.
No.
नहीं, मेरे को देने का है.
अरे?
मेरे को देने का है 8 दूंगा.
Oh my god.
8.
Such a biased
Art.
rating. 4.
So yeah, this was a fun video, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. आपके लिए
We
हमने
had fun.
we
eating a lot
actually
of
had fun and we actually got high because of the sweet.
It's the sugar rush talking now.
And you guys also try new different Oreo flavors if you find any and let us know in the comment section.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel which is Videsi. We are close to 5 million again. बस 5 million और subscribers चाहिए. Then we'll reach 5 million.
Alright, we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Woo!